Lemon butter chicken, no, it could be better. Crispy golden breast covered in whipped lemon butter. It's so good, another tasty treat.
All right, here we go. Lemon butter chicken. This is different than lemon chicken, but it's super crispy, super lemony, and buttery. And it is divine, let me tell you. So we got to make our whipped lemon butter first. So we're going to add 1 stick of butter to a bowl, zest of 1 lemon, juice of 1 lemon, and about 3 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. We'll get that into the bowl. Now I was going to try and use the submersive mixer, but that was a disaster. I never should have tried that. So I'm going straight to the KitchenAid with the whisk. So we're just going to transfer everything to the KitchenAid bowl, put the whisk on, and turn this on high and let it do its job. I should have done that originally, but I outsmarted myself. So we get that rolling, and in a second we're going to have perfectly whipped lemon butter. So good, so light, it's amazing. And you can use this on so many other dishes. Look at that, perfect. So we're just going to transfer that to a bowl, and we'll put the lid on it. Do not put it in the refrigerator because it'll get all super hard and won't be what you want. Keep it out. So we'll just put a lid on that until it's time. Now I'm using 2 chicken breasts that I've already cleaned up all the fat off. And I'm just going to cut these in half because they are very big. And they're organic and they're still that big. And once we get these cut in half, I'm going to lay them out, cover them with saran wrap, get my mallet out and pound them thin and even. Just like that. Now we're going to coat these with the old-fashioned flour, egg wash, then breadcrumb. And I added to my breadcrumb a little bit of panko. So I've got Italian breadcrumb and panko, about 75 Italian breadcrumb, 25% panko. Give it that extra crispiness. So like I said, I like dusting of flour. Then we're going to go right into that egg wash. Get it totally coated. Drain off any extra egg. And we'll go right into that breadcrumb panko mixture. Press it down, everything nice and tight. And we'll put that right on our plate. And I like to put these in the refrigerator for an hour or 2 before I fry them. That way everything sticks to the chicken. Alright, we got our big frying pan out. We got our oil set to 350 degrees. And we're just going to gently slide that chicken breast right into that oil away from us so it doesn't splatter back. And after a few minutes, it'll be nice and golden brown. And we'll give it a little flip. Perfect. Look at that. So good. So we'll do the other side a few minutes. And then we'll put on a paper towel to drain off any excess oil. And then we're just going to put it on a plate. And we're going to scoop on, almost like you're scooping ice cream. A nice scoop of that lemon butter. Look at that. That is beautiful. Now watch this sucker. Time lapse of it slowly melting down on that hot chicken. And there you have it. A delicious new way to do lemon chicken. This is lemon butter chicken. I'm telling you, make that lemon butter. You'll use it on other things. It's delicious. It's light. It's airy. It's like a cloud of lemon. Hey, thanks for watching. Remember, I put out a new show every Sunday and every Wednesday. So I hope you subscribe, I hope you hit the bell. I hope you hit like. And I'd like to have you leave a comment. I'd like to know where you're from. And we'll see you on the next video. Thank you.